Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing obvious entry points. Enable two-step verification and set a strong, unique password so attackers can't reuse credentials. Once done, audit connected apps and revoke any you don't recognize because third-party access often sends spam. Next, turn on your provider's spam filter and immediately mark the first few unwanted messages as spam to train the system. Doing these steps now reduces baseline noise and gives you control. Now you'll build targeted rules to stop repeat offenders. Create sender and domain blocks for persistent sources and add keyword or subject filters for common spam phrases. Headers reveal automated patterns. Once set, route matches to a quarantine or archive folder so you can review false positives. This prevents loss of real messages. Make sure to order rules from specific to general so precise blocks run first. Then broader filters catch anything left over. Finish by setting a maintenance rhythm. Review quarantine mail weekly at first and update rules monthly to adapt to new tactics. Whitelist known contacts and use contact-based filtering so important mail never lands in quarantine. If spam persists despite rules, change your password, recheck connected apps, and report abuse to your mail provider so they can escalate. One troubleshooting tip: if legitimate mail is blocked, temporarily disable the newest rule and rerun a test to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.